Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is so weird to me that July is already over, but here we are. So today we're going to be doing a roundup of my favorites and flops, best and worst products for the month of July, and I am so excited to share them with you. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload once or twice a week and that'll be the best way to stay up to date and all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you're ready to jump into my favorites and flops, best and worst of the month of July, stay tuned. All right, I have actually mostly favorites. There's a couple flops in here, but I'll get into that shortly. First, we're gonna go in order. There is no order. We're just gonna jump in. An old favorite and a new favorite. The Codally Beauty Elixir. I recently reintroduced this because I ran out for a while. They sent me over a full size and a travel size. I finished the travel size almost instantly. Back in my routine, this is one of the best facial mists on the market, no question. Helps with everything from calming and soothing your skin. It's antibacterial, antimicrobial. It really calms things down. And this can be used for skin or makeup, but lately I have only been using it for skin. For makeup, I have been loving the Professional Super Setter long-lasting makeup setting spray from Benefit. I used to use the Benefit Professional and it didn't really work for me because it's very silicone-y and I just didn't love the primer. The setting spray, however, is magnificent. It is one of the smoothest mists out of any spray I have ever used, ever. Smells beautiful, looks beautiful, really a great product. Lip color of the summer for me has been nothing except for this gloss. This is the Fenty Hot Cherry Gloss. It is a lightly plumping gloss, a little bit of tingle, so if you're sensitive to tingle, you might not like it. It is just like the perfect kiss of color, and this color for summer is just beautiful. Now, as many of you know, the Beauty For Real High Def Mascara is my favorite mascara. Prior to that being introduced to me, it was all Benefit Roller Lash, and I recently revisited this when Benefit sent it over. I'm wearing it today, and I cannot tell which one I like more. I'm going to have to go back and forth. Benefit has a little bit of a thinner wand, but Beauty For Reals is a much smaller wand. So if you really like to get super tight to your lashes, either one of them will do, but I need to keep going back and forth and figure out which one is better because I cannot tell and I might just have to live with both of them in my life. Speaking of Beauty For Real, they recently launched the Level Up Liquid Shadows. I did like a gradient smoky, not smoky, it's all glitter, but a radiant smoky, glittery look with all three of them today. That video is already up. I have been playing around with these for months because, as you know, I am friends with Leslie, the owner, founder of Beauty For Real. So she did leave a set with me when she was visiting back in May, and I love these so much. I'm really excited that I can finally share it with you. It's not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to talk about it, but it is a fantastic liquid shadow. They blend beautifully, and you can get anything from like diffused, soft, ethereal, glowy to like bold, metallic glitter and everything in between. For me, this month has been all about skin serums and skin tints. I have tried so many. I don't have it with me, but the only flop for me is the Danessa Myricks. Amazing formula. It is beautiful, but I got the wrong shade. So it's not that it's a flop. I just need to get it in my actual color. Two other ones I've tried that both have worked out really well for me are the Rose Inc Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinted Serum and the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Skin Tint. Now, I love the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've been using it for years, so when I got a chance to try the skin tint, I was all about it. They are both beautiful. This one has a little bit more coverage, and this one's a little bit more radiant, but both of them are fantastic. If your skin's a little drier, go with the Bobbi Brown. I'm sorry, if your skin's a little drier, go with the Rose Inc. If your skin's a little more oily, go with the Bobbi Brown. If you're somewhere in the middle, you cannot go wrong. I recently finished my longtime Holy Grail Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer, and I tried the Rose Inc Lip Treatment. This is phenomenal. It's a little thin, so when you do put it on, it's very easy to get a lot out of the tube, so be very careful. But it has such a beautiful vanilla smell that I may not ever go back to the Jouer. This one is that good. And I have two serums to talk about. The first is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. I used to rave about the avocado mask from Glow Recipe, and I only recently tried this about a month ago, and I'm officially a month in and can say that I love this. With skincare, it takes like 28 to 60 days to really see results to make sure, like, am I actually loving this or do I just think I am? This one I am actually loving. It is calming, it is soothing, it helps with irritation. I put this on every single night and my skin has been super healthy, super glowy, and super clear. And one other serum that I've been loving lately that I have not been using I've been using it for about 2 weeks. So I don't know about the anti-aging benefits of it yet because obviously you got to give it time. But this is the Precious Pearl Illuminating Caviar Serum from Luminology. It has like the encapsulated pearls and it is just such a dewy, glowy, illuminating, like, I don't think, like, it's not glittery, it is just hydrated and glowy. And I really love what it does to my skin under makeup. I put it on today under my makeup, underneath my Bloom Effects SPF, which is also very glowy. And I feel like I'm very glowy without having any highlight on. From a cosmetic, like, makeup side, I love this as a pseudo step under your primer. I will let you know if I love it for the skincare benefits too, but so far, definitely worth it. But it is pricey. It's like $280. So I'll let you know if I love it, or if we're just like an on the fence love it. And lastly, I have been playing around. I did a whole video, which I'll link up above, on Temu makeup, and I have been giving second, third, and fourth chances to quite a few things, and here are my thoughts. So, just in a very quick roundup, this palette is a flop, not worth it. This, which is the Makeup Forever dupe, is fine if you feel like you are looking for a $4 or $5 version of the $40 palette or $60 palette, but it takes some finesse to work with. The illuminating setting spray is absolutely beautiful if you want to get easy glow. And the Dior lip oil dupes are like new holy grails. These are absolutely phenomenal. I love them both. The Rare Beauty dupes are going to be a miss from me. I don't mind the highlight, but the tone is a little bit off. The pigmentation in the blush is way too strong. It's basically a liquid lipstick. Mix it with like a foundation and it might work. Now, as always, let me know your favorites and flops down below. That is how I pick what I'm going to try for the upcoming month. Thank you, everybody who commented last month, which there were not many of you. So let me know what you want to see me try in August, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! No explanation. Temu haul, smash or pass? Pass. Smash. Smash. Pass. Smash. Double smash. Double pass. Smash. Smash. Pass. Smash. Smash. Pass. Smash.